about dukot. Dukot sana. Ginagawa nyo lang ang anak ko. Ginagawa nyo lang panakip butas sa dudukutin nyo. How sad, no? How sad. Dito ko nakita na ganito pala ang countering ito. Ini-stress ka kasi galit na galit daw kasi hindi daw nakadukot. Ha? Gagamitin mo yung anak ko o ako? To make it scared, doorbell there, I will open the window and yes, what can I do for you? Kung gusto mong mang-ampon ng anak, ampunin nyo na rin ako, buong pamilya ko. Ibili nyo kami ng aeroplano, magta-travel kami wherever we want to go. Diba masaya yon? Diyos ko, mag-i-enjoy ang aking mga anak. And say, hello world! This is the new beginning of our dreams. Hi! Aampunin nyo yung anak ko. Sasabihin nyo para hindi ma-stress. Tapos ako ang i-stressin nyo ng doorbell, I will open the window. And yes, what can I do for you? Na-stress ka ba? If you feel stressed, move away from me. Besides, I'm not making trouble. You make trouble. If you are troublemaker, move away from me. I'm the type of person that I'm not making a trouble. Instead, you start a trouble again and again and never stop. And remember, wherever you bring me, my family will follow me. Nakasinematic ka. Kaya akala mo kahit hindi ko kayo bidyuhan. O nagpanik ka ba? Ay, wala akong panahon sa inyo makipaglokohan. Niloloko nyo ba ang sarili nyo? I'm not making joke. But don't destroy me as a person here. If you have rights to live here, I have rights too. But my money in my account, don't use. Wala kayong karapatan. At malaya akong pupunta ng quickly or supermarket to get what I have, to get what I want because I know it's ours. Kaya wala kayong magagawa sa akin, di ba? Ayun. Bye. Have a nice day. I hope it's big lessons to you to do this because I'm not the type of person that you kick me out without doing nothing bad to you. That's it. Thank you. O di ba parang bining-bining Pilipinas or Miss Universe? I'm not stupid like what you think. I'm brainy. But you always put me down. Bye.